Hey guys, this is your artist TolgArt. Today we are gonna do something new, another challenge. This time the 10 minute, 1 minute, 10 seconds challenge. And this is how it works. What I got here is an A4 size Copic paper. I already drew 3 rectangles with the same size, each for a separate drawing of the same character. And as you know from the video title, the character I have chosen is BROLY. I have 10 minutes for the first rectangle, 1 minute for the second, and only 10 seconds to draw BROLY in the third rectangle. I saw a few videos from other artists and I thought that you guys would like it too, if I do a challenge like that. Well, as I mentioned before, we will draw BROLY. I will use only my pen from Faber-Castell for this challenge, and I think we are ready. I wanna say that I didn't warm up for this challenge. This is my first try. So, 10 minutes. Let's go! I will draw BROLY from the front, just standing relaxed but with an arrogant smile. So, we are good in the time, but I'm more concerned about the other ones. I wonder how they will look like. Okay, I even have some time to do the second layer of ink. Let's do it. And the 10 minutes are over, guys. It looks somewhat good. What do you think? But now to the 1 minute running. We have only 1 minute, guys. I don't want to talk too much. Let's just do it. Let's go. Well, I really underestimated. It looks so bad. This is maybe the baddest drawing ever. 1 minute is really a short time. But hey, I think I can already see how the 10 seconds one will look like. Let's go. Oh man, oh guys, this looks so bad, so bad. 10 seconds is a really short time. So, this is so unbelievably bad. I can't explain. I want to end this video right now. I see you this weekend with another drawing. And if you enjoyed this video right here, just let me know. Thumb up this video, share it with your friends. And if you want to see more challenges like this, just let me know down below. And yeah, that's it for today, guys. I hope you enjoy. Thank you for watching. I see you this weekend again with a new video. Until then, stay healthy, be fit, be a good person, be you, and always remember, you are the designer of your own life.